Every time you get a cut, a bruise, or even a broken bone, your body starts fixing itself almost immediately. You don't have to think about it, you don't control it, yet within days or weeks, the damage begins to disappear. This natural ability to repair and recover is one of the most powerful features of the human body. But how does the body actually heal itself? The healing process begins the moment an injury occurs. The first step is protection. If your skin is cut, blood vessels quickly constrict to reduce bleeding, and then platelets in your blood form a clot. This clot acts like a temporary seal, stopping blood loss and protecting the wound from infection. Next comes inflammation, which is often misunderstood. You may notice redness, swelling, warmth, and pain around the injured area. This is not a bad thing. It is your body's defense response. Blood flow increases, bringing white blood cells to the site of injury. These cells destroy bacteria, remove damaged tissue, and prepare the area for healing. After that, the body enters the repair phase. New cells begin to grow and replace the damaged ones. In the case of skin injuries, new skin cells form to close the wound. In deeper injuries, fibroblast cells produce collagen, a protein that helps rebuild tissues. Blood vessels also begin to regrow, restoring proper circulation to the area. The final stage is remodeling, where the repaired tissue becomes stronger and more organized. Over time, the wound continues to improve, and in many cases, it may leave little to no visible sign of injury. However, in some cases, scar tissue forms, which is not as strong or flexible as the original tissue. Different parts of the body heal at different rates. For example, skin may heal within days or weeks, while bones may take several weeks or even months to fully recover. Factors such as age, nutrition, overall health, and lifestyle play a major role in how quickly the body heals. The body's ability to heal depends heavily on cells and the immune system. Stem cells help generate new tissues, while immune cells protect against infection during the healing process. If these systems do not function properly, healing can be delayed or incomplete. However, healing is not always perfect. In some conditions, such as diabetes, wounds may take longer to heal due to poor blood circulation and reduced immune response. In severe injuries, the body may not be able to fully repair the damage on its own. Today, modern medicine is working alongside the body's natural healing ability. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to study how wounds heal, predict recovery times, and improve treatment strategies. Advanced technologies are also helping doctors develop therapies that support tissue regeneration and reduce complications. The human body has an incredible ability to repair itself. From small cuts to more serious injuries, a complex system of cells, signals, and processes works together to restore normal function. Understanding how this process works helps us take better care of our bodies and support healing through proper nutrition, rest, and healthy habits.